Okay. Hello everyone. This is Team TV Cabinet, and we are the team members and our mentor, Dr. Dhananjay Bora. And so, whenever we researched about TB, we first found that this is not only technical problem. This is also a social issue. Especially, it happens in the developing countries and poor, that means like poor income countries. So, first in technical issues, we focused particularly on TB medication adherence. As research suggested, it is one of the major barrier. And another one is you see that their society has negative attitude into TB patients. So we are also focusing on it. So this is our idea. Our innovation contains both technical and socioeconomic aspects. In the technical part, we propose a system that is developed. This is assisted by IoT and deep learning to improve medication adherence and also continuous monitoring TB patients. And this is some measurement, dependent variable we will measure, night sweat, cough, and we will actually rank our patient according to their risk. So that's our conceptual framework. As you mentioned, we thought TB not only technical issue, but also social issue in these poor developing countries. So first of all, we will try to liaise with government and convince them, since TB is a public health concern, why they need to focus more on it and why our system will be very much helpful to tackle TB. Then after convincing government, we will go for, since government has the data actually, top 3 affected locations, and in those locations we will ensure some social campaigns about the TB and some other issues, TB issues. Then we will provide our TB care bed to our local hospitals. This part is done by the help of government, they will pay for it. And then the patient will use it freely that time. At a similar time, when patient will use it freely, we will store our data in the cloud that time. So remember, this is the free stage. So when they will be used to it, when the TB care will get popular and we will have good review, then we will directly the second stage sell this to our patients. And here you can see the technical part, we are getting the data, and this and also you're saving here, and at the same time we are creating some big data on TB. And this feedback actually is improving our deep learning algorithm. You know, we are feeding more data to make our system more accurate. And through this, actually this is done for some special recommendation who is the more risky patient, and who send them some special alarm, you are the risky patient, or some health workers will particularly work on it. And next.
So for our product, this will be the user interface for our mobile application, and our product will cover SDG 3, SDG 17, and support SDG 9 and 11. So our product will add value proposition in terms of cost efficiency, mass usage, remote prescription and support, and less health risk. And this is our tentative cost plan for now, since we are collaborating with government and considering the people from all economical background. This is our cost. This is our cost plan after getting the government subsidies. So this is the competency of our product with the existing solution, and our product will be used to predict medical adherence and detect patients' risk at the same time, and the data we get will be automatically updated to our database, and we have a reasonable price, which is $190 for our product, comparing with the existing solution.
So basically, these are the stakeholders our business will revolve around. We will liaise with the government, funders, and possibly engineers and data scientists. This is our revenue model. Our projection basically is to attain a sales range of 30% per annum, at least when we launch the program, and then go on with our partnership and patent share will come on it later on. Then the basic strength we have is to develop a remote monitoring system for patients that they can use anywhere, and a wide application of healthcare data, basically. And our vision is basically to empower patients, collaborate with other healthcare providers, and build a data-driven insight, basically, as regards TB. And thank you. So this is development, a guiding light on the path to health, empowering patients, uniting providers, embracing innovation. Together we will conquer tuberculosis.
Okay, start the way.
Okay, start.
Okay, maybe I can start. So, what is your product? I didn't fully understand it. Is it an app or is it also a hardware? For what you pay $199?
Our product, our product is a system. That is our technical part of the left side. This is our product. You will have some sensors, like we have to measure temperature.
So it's a device.
Yes.
It's device. It's multiple devices in the same system. And mobile application is for just user interface. You see the data there.
So the device acquires information.
Yes.
What information is it?
It will have demographic data of patients and their regular medication adherence when they are taking the pill, are they missing any pill. So based on this, actually, we also, our deep learning model, there will be some deep learning algorithm underlying this. It will predict who is the most risky patients. And this finally will save ultimately all of the data. And the government also can use this big data.
What's the form factor of the device? Is it a wristband? Is it a box I put in my pocket? What is it?
Yes, Professor, like the medication adherence will be done by the smart pill. Whenever they take any pill, the sensor will give the data and it will be stored. And in the smartwatch, there will be sensor for cough and night sweating and also for the temperature. It will have this, there is some kind of smartwatch and the smartphone just for the user interface.
So for what I pay the money?
Sorry.
For what I pay the money? For the smart pill or the smartwatch?
Yeah.
Not for the smartphone, right? I have already.
Okay. Basically, the concept is a toolkit, a TB toolkit that contains these three things. So when you buy the toolkit, you get an attached smartphone, a smartwatch, and a smart pill box.
All three.
Yes,
all
basically
three
that will
things.
be in the toolkit. Yes.
Okay.
No.
That cost was it's like $190. We just try to, so after that, as you mentioned, we hope to get subsidies from the government. After that, we are just trying to get just a minimum range like a smart pill with the sensors for $500 and maybe very minimal features in the smartphone. That's just $4,000.
Okay, that's the cost for the patient or that's the cost?
Cost for the patient. But
Cost of goods sold. You want to say?
Yes.
Or cost?
After subsidy.
Yeah.
From the
So that is.
What happens if the patient doesn't have the money to afford this kind of
sorry.
treatment? If the patient is somebody that you will take care, you don't have the money for this, to pay for this what happens?
Because that's why actually we consider the social issues initially. Because since we try to convince government by convincing it with public health concern, or even they can use it for their election agenda also, they're curing that thing. So we hope government will pay for the things. Yeah.
Government can pay
Yeah.
the patient.
And if time goes well, we will also put it in a private hospital.
So just going back to what you said, you have this interface which is basically the app. So those three toolkit which consists of the three is basically for me to get all the information.
Yes.
Right? So I was just curious to know then how are you ensuring compliance of, because that's your USP is that you ensure compliance, right, of the regular medical entity. How is that actually happening? For example, is there some tracking that you are doing? How is this? How do you ensure compliance?
Then the tracking things also like
Only from the smart building?
yeah, smart bill and also the smartwatch. Like it will continuously give the data if someone is having more temperature, that means might be because of fever or fatigue, or if someone is having night sweat, cough also. So we are getting the data through this, and it will be saved into our database, and finally it can be seen by the smartphone. Just from this device.
How does the smart building work? Is you identify a particular
Yeah, it is.
Okay, basically, the smart pill, the idea is when the patient, there will be an inbuilt sensor on the smart pill. So when the patient picks a drug for today, they send a message to the back end server, the cloud basically. So the smart pill on its own also help monitor patients that are adherent, because that is our major problem we want to solve, basically adherence. So when they pick a pill, we get a message that, oh, this patient uses this drug today, but there will also be an alarm system to help them remember to take their medication any day, yes, basically. So that is what we are trying to solve.
So like basically they will have regular alarm, like they will have schedule at 8 p.m. to take medication. But if we find some risky patient, we will give them extra reminder.
It's done.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I get to you. Repeat.